konna kali bwe katinga omusi oluti lw'egundi lw'ensonzi kala konna kalinga egundi omusito gw'ennyama ogulemedde ogwamukima ogulemedde Lukaya avuma bantu mukama wamwe tabba sente za fistula tabba ki mwananchi bwejingani I have written another book Bukokolo Bugeyana. You are not practicing journalism. Journalism is not malice.
What is journalism?
Journalism tuyina informing society.
Wanga tunanyo bana fetugamba abamawulire.
Tumuli. Yugira wa mawulire wa mumulire wa mawulire professional yugira. Oyo Peter Mwesigwa tasana kwogera simu yiwe makezi. Mwesigwa lairo le kanimpereko. Nze nekwata ko kuba bukubiru yi. Mwesigwa the architectures of the 1995 draconian media law. Mwesigwa yetaka kubwa. Ye yali first president wa gundi. Wandinju. Mwesigwa kakanako. Mwesigwa lairo le kanimpereko. Like nani uyu Mwesigwa mkwata tai. I've been fighting for journalism in this country. Yes, eteke libafuga libalese kati bayinvoke. Uyu Mwesigwa yaliko yetaka kuba kumujja mumanyi. A scholar, you are not a scholar. Try to school up with. Anybody can go and ask maybe to an PhD. Even me. I don't know my master's or PhD wari goruchi. Kakati obuzibu mwa. Munamawuli data abera neutral. Munamawuli informs the society. Munamawuli educates society. Bino bya entertainment yumukoramu is not a part of journalism. It is not the main issue.
To educate, to entertain, to inform.
Yes. To guide the society because you are informed. You guide the society. You inform society. Information in mass communication, in propaganda, means the facts.
Facts and figures.
Disseminating information, facts. Are you disseminating facts? Yole kasiya kubamunda. Tuwali wa mawulire wanaliruda. Where are the journalists? Bantu gamba a French scholar yagamba. We are the fourth estate. But to be a fourth estate must be credible. You must be informed. You must be educated. You must guide the society. Are you educated? Are you neutral? Do you inform society? No. Abolugambo. Even your name Abolugambo tells you. People don't take you seriously. Lugambo. 3. The President of America, Yagamba. That's why the Constitution of the United States was amended 10 times in 10 years to include media. President of America yagamba nti if I'm confronted with a choice to be in a country where there is a government without a media and where there is a media without a government, I prefer a country where there is a media without a government. Did this man talk about it like the other man, the French philosopher, who said that we are the fourth estate? Ye media yamu, eri marisi, enonya bujingo, enonya mwemweta kukuba kumi. You don't qualify to be a media.
Eri abamawulire okuba professional because
ante basobola kubeera professional
n'owulira ali kumpewa kuliza mugati ono yavudde mu kitanda najja
kakati babeeyambisa ne babagula gavumenti yegula kasa gavumenti yebagula ne bagikolera ate beefuulire tegeera ba prostitutes n'olwekyo tulina okumanya when we talk about media freedom, do we have a media? Nti omuserikale wa local defense n'ow'amagye bonna bayina emmundu. Are they answerable to the same code of ethics? Tuyina kyetuyita pwas. Mu mass communication tuyina kyetuyita a misnomer. Something that appears to be when it is not. You don't have media in Uganda. When you talk about a media in Uganda, terimu. When you talk about media field, tuyina mawulire.
Tuyina media.
Teriwo. Pwas. Misnomer. Your media is a misnomer. Misnomer. You don't have a media to people to protect it. Omusajja n'akuba mu lupapula lwa monitor n'akuba omukazi gwe bashevinga Gulu Barracks nga bamuguze Katumba Wamala agende kusoma. That's a media. Katumba Wamala ne Kazini bali ku rank mu brigadier. Katumba Wamala America ne bamuyita agende asome. Ne bategeera nti Katumba Wamala agenda ku bypass kuyita kwane. In Gulu Barracks. Monitor. Monitor published a picture of a chef, people shaving. Nakola ne sako mbono tumumanyi aliwa lugale. It has ceased to be a media. It's a command set of malice. Close it. Lugale baduke. You don't have a media. Bukede. The malicious. You saying Andy Bujingo that is bukede ni mumalawo.
Oh.
Yes. Is that house mine? Book the pursuing a malice. Now Vampako. Mukuwa tali mu chumba jitu nalinja kubatta. Nalinja kubatta. Njo boyo mwana wabuke. Njo kubankati. Because you are not a media. No. You are not a media. So if you are not a media, don't ask us. Mwamuri njaga. Tetusobola basa bujekitenga ku legal protection. You are not a media.
Utumanyi twaitu badeko ne media one before.
Teyiwo.
Namu plus.
Era was struggling. Nti nali president wa Abuja. Nakola ebintu bibiri. Nali ndese trade union. Abazungu ne bampa dola emitwalo 3 ate nali musiru. Sazibba. Nenga tetunembaga nti nali musiru sazibba. Twali anji. Dola emitwalo 5 mu gundi mu kinanaawo. Singa one of the richest people. Muzungu came to my house. Mr. Mirundi, ayo. We cannot form a trade union in Uganda. Take it to kiss a trade union. Banamuri tuli ebikumi bisatu. Netaka litaga abantu 10. Nenkola mediation naba gundi ba printers ebani abamuri ne bagana. Nindyo sente za bweninzi malawo. Milioni emitwalo kya $5. Omuzungu yatwala ko 10 namakajo 10 nsigaza 3. Nayitanga bamuli ntuzire ntugenda. Ubongo bwange bwate bunakula. Siri mubbi by nature. Ekyoku nali njagala kubasomesa. Era UNESCO yali apa deputy press gundi bakitanga pa politike
but yagala basomesa ofune banamawulira.
Abatendeke mu evening program.
Mulyoke muddemu ere ekikulu ku trade union.
Yes. Tuberenga tukoza abamawulire kubanga what you don't know. Sibuli mogwammwe ti mu Uganda timuli ba mawulire. No. Uganda unlike bosoma katabo kange kano nkugamba nti unlike other professions like law, like medicine, amawulire mu Uganda abazungu tebagakolera mu training school. Why? They had realized the importance of abazungu abakolonists bava mu developed countries. Nti ebbaluwa ya Muteesa eyafuluma mu Daily Telegraph yavaako ba Church Mission Society era babalimba. Ebbaluwa ya Muteesa tesabanga bayigirize. Bwe bateekamu advert bateekamu nti bannange Abaganda bayita bwereere. Ne bwe tugenda mu Uganda ne tubayigiriza okwambala akakete pamba ajja kulinnya. The European missionaries never came here for religion. Balabamu a possibility of expanding the cotton market. Chovolaba Ballop, a bishop, Ballop, is more known for his bringing seeds. Later, nsigo za cotton, ngabola basine mwanyi bazitani. Yajja na Bible. The intention was to grow cotton. There was a cotton farming in Europe.
Okay.
Kakati abamawulire tebafunako training school. Eteereddwawo. N'abasomesa abamawulire tudde tebasoma. Ate degree ya Makerere si mass com ne journalism byanjawulo. There is no institute that can start a journalism course without a radio station, a TV station. Journalism is practical. Basomesa ba public relations officers. Yes.
Ojaposanga na university.
Yes, somesa ba public relations officers.
Journalism and mass com.
Byanja tewalina na kamu 110. Tewali wa mawulire wanaliruddawo. Bwoba amawulire oyagala gwe ngoli mu mbejjo bamulangira. Genda mu parliament. Mu parliament mulimu press club wotuula. Mu court mulimu. But once you go to a riot, in a riot, twala yenga labiyoba jase. Ekyokubiri mu riot temulina ne equipment. Nadduka n'ekikamera kye kiringa omugugu buli omwafulaba. Ayina ekikamera kiringa omugugu ne munnakikutte kana akawala kakutte stands. That journalism.
Ekyo kiba ki?
In a crisis.
Ekyo kiba ki?
Busiru. A journalist under you study circumstances. I covered Nariel, I covered the Rwanda conflict, I covered Sina Sassi movie. have never been captured because tuchita situation evaluation.
Wakavalingira mukamori.
No. Era omuntu ali tukudde majje ga Rwanda. Omuzungu yatuwe. Baba mwitanga Catherine Bond. Catherine Bond ndoze yewa. Waliwo Watson ne Catherine Bond. Ku bombi omu yafumbirwa payike omulala bagamba nga teyagala Lwejema. The woman was not comfortable nga Lwejema abuze. Eri atusizza. Eri yawanika journalist. Amajje ga Rwanda ne gatuwonya. Busiru. Kati mu Europe mulimu tukita embedment. Journalists are embedded. Tukita embedment. Nti amajje ga America bwegaba gagenda okulumba mwambala uniform ya America mugenda muchaka era bakugamba this story has been created by the military. Sirogologo. No.
Ne wono buchandi badde.
Olutalo lwa Iraq lwali lulemye Bush. Why? Saddam Hussein yagenda n'ateeka n'addira banka n'agiteekamu abaana n'abakazi n'ateeka kumwe emmundu ennene seti za America ne zigiraba ne zirowooza nti mwali yeebase bamuyita omusiru ne bagikuba bagita smart bomb yajja n'eziba omulyango netta abakazi b'ebikumi 2 n'abaana omuzungu talaba ku mwana mulambo gwa mwana alijasera n'ebifulumya ennyonyi za America Air Force zakuba ezira headquarters zimufiiramu n'abamawulire. You have become a legitimate target. What type of Maori did you? Maori mwakasoma wa.
Ekintu kya embedment shogedde kirungi. Naye kikola mu kifo oba mu ggwanga ewali respect eri Amaori. Wano bwe tuba tusaka
Amawulire.
Ulira kano. Bwe tuba tusaka Amawulire bamulende bagenda ku front wali okabali. Ne bwe badda ku ludda lwa police
bakubuuza. Bobi Wine nga bamujeeruzira bagenda bakuba abantu abali ku luguudo. Sisobola okuteka advantage at the vantage point ne kamera yange ina zoom ono technology aliwo ndinyizo genda mu abo bankube emigga basirikale nzi banda banako ebifaananyi byonna ebikubiddwa mu safe houses nani mu bikubayo emisango gyonna egiri mu America egisinga obungi gikuba amacha photographers sobola babalamuzi mu Uganda bakola conclusion empapula z'amawulire zibeera admitted as evidence. Ate gundi omulamuzi Kibuuka Musoke n'agamba nti Kaddu Mukasijja mujjayo. The story was written Bukenya bamukwata ku video ng'agaba sente ne Kaddu Mukasa. Omulamuzi Kibuuka Musoke n'agamba nti nti ekyo sijja kikola kubanga this story was not written by gundi professional journalist. Nabagamba nti transformation of the media industry in Uganda. We have already explored the feeble beginning of the media industry in Uganda. It was a risky undertaking that mainly attracted disparate characters, often school dropouts, and the hopeless resorted to media, while aggrieved used it to lash out at their foes. Journalists became dogs of war. They were mercenaries, hired in political battles, often defined as giant killers. Mbalaga Amawulire, history ya Amawulire from 1986. Tulupapula lwasooka mu Uganda lwatandikibwa 1996 ebifa Emmengo. Mu 1998 ne bakola ebifa mu Buganda. 1911 ne bakola munno. Mu 1912 Uganda Herald, Independent Herald olw'abazungu. This was started by Asians to agitate for their interests. Tewaliwo olupapula lwatandika ng'ebusiness. It has haunted the media.
Okay.
The media became a risky venture. Tewali mugagga atadde sente ze mu media. Muli baavu.
Nti amawulire gatuuka ddi.
Nakanaka esirongo kayina akawala akapuma kujimba kakalambadde nga oluti lwe omusa gw'ennyama gwalemedde erukaya.
Kyengamba amawulire gatuuka ddi fuka kamasho.
Eri
ensigo gye gaalina. From munno.
Anti gali risky. The media is risky. Okujjako Kaliisa who has invested heavily in the media. No, Indians are shunning But Daily Nation started in 1954, very strong. Olwokuba media yammwe eririshike tewali egiteekamu ssente ze musigadde muli baafu ne babagula ne bakola kino olaba mwakuba ne kunze sitole baje bayisinyira gwe naawe oli w'amawulire gwe bayitako nyabo bamukebera omutwe ne kaleetawo kakulibya n'entwe yako nakano akasajja. If you fight us, we fight you back. Fabali balwaniridde. I'm not a victim of your malice. Because you are not professionals. No, you are not professionals. Yes. No. My journalists are highly 20 journalists, more than you. We are very few. Abina credentials nge mutuswaza nnyo kubanga no sinza mbabuuza wa ne mbagamba nti lwaki forced relationship lwaki abamuli ba Uganda balwana ne government ne mbagamba Museveni is made in the press conference meeting was in Rubiri barracks. He explained to Ugandans his NRM program. It was a meeting with a difference. Pressmen were received by senior army officers, including Commander Salim Saleh. For that reason, Museveni apologized for the delay, which was initially a rare gesture in the government media relationship. Museveni was not in a hurry. He responded to every question that was raised, and in an intellectual manner. He appeared composed and in total control. He then declared his commitment to media freedom. He further said his government will welcome positive criticism. Saleh offered himself to be available anytime whenever queries arise on media practices would require. Later, all successive ministers of information in Iran would have a historical link with the media. These are Abu Mayanja, Kintu Musoke, Paul Etiang, Basoka Ansadu, and Kirunda Kivejinja. Kabakumba Masiko only remains an extraordinary case. Despite all of these ministers have not been very successful in guiding government to appreciate free media operations. Government could have had sincere intentions and have to have a harmonious relationship with the media than we have already witnessed. The Museveni media relationship is comparable to a marriage of a lovely couple. Despite this enviable love, the couple could not appreciate each other's traits. This is your problem. Museveni yajjanga ayagala media. Ninga media teriiwo. Press conference ya president yali mu Lubiri. Era president n'alwawo kujja. Saleh apologized. What went wrong? Ba minister bonna aba information Abu Mayanja yakubanga Mengo nga muhandisi wa mawulire mulungi nnyo. Abu Mayanja was a journalist. Kintu Musoke was a journalist. Minister of Information. Kirunda Kibeji, the journalist, had a stinking journalist. What went wrong? Tewali ba mawulire. Tewali ba mawulire. Mu Uganda tewali ba mawulire. No. These are good. Nakugamba nti where you get journalists. Abraham Lincoln yabamawulire yayogerako. Nti if I'm confronted with the situation, to have a country without a government but has a media, did he talk about the Ugandan media? Eri media, say misnomer, say malicious media. Society cannot accept an arrogant media. Tuli ba mawulire n'obukamira bwammwe muli ba mawulire mulina diplomatic immunity. The only person who has diplomatic immunity in this country is the Cardinal Wamala. The Cardinal, bwogenda mukwata police ya Uganda tekwata Cardinal. The matter is referred to the purpose pronouncing. Ayina passport bbiri. Ye citizen of Vatican mukwate kola be embassy baziggale. Cardinal. Temuli mulala. you are subject to the same law.
Cardinal
Wamala yekka yalina double citizenship. Tomukwatako. Vatican is a prince, mulangira w'ekereziya. Police temanta alya wa Cardinal Wamala. Alina passport bila nesi